Hi, this is Vishalakshi Rajapatla and you're watching 1111 Make Money YouTube channel. This video is particularly about the trading journal which I am maintaining. What is trading journal? Trading journal is similar to the accounts book which you are maintaining to your business. For example, if you are doing a restaurant business where you offer food to the customers, there you have to maintain an account book where that is including the inflow and the outflow of the money. That means when you're having the expenses like raw materials, utensils, maintenance, something like that, those are the outgoing money. The income coming from selling the food, the all the other things which give you the inflow is called incoming money. When the money is incoming and you are having the outgoing money, you have to maintain the trading journal. What is I'm sorry, you have to maintain the accounts book. What is the use of this accounts book? By the end of the month, you will check whether you are getting the profits or not. If your expenses are higher than your incoming money, then that month is going to be losses month. So once you are facing some losses, what you will do, you will analyze what is the money that is going from your side. For example, if you are spending some money for the maintenance, high maintenance for an AC, then what you will do, you will just get rid of that old AC, then you will replace it with the new AC to decrease all the maintenance costs when there is such need. So when you are maintaining all those things in the account book, you will understand by the end of the month, these are the good expenses and these are the bad expenses. Okay, bad expenses, you try to reduce the bad expenses so that you will get more profits. Good expenses, you will try to maintain that good things in your business. Likewise, when you are maintaining the trading journal, what happens by the end of the month, you're going to know what exactly you are doing in the live market. Why? Because whatever you do before the market, when you enter the markets in that intraday, what happens, there are times when you don't plan your trades and you still execute your trades. Another criteria is when you plan your trades and still you don't execute your trades. These are the many things that happens in the live market. Once you understand what are the drawbacks you are facing, what are the patterns, loss giving patterns you are facing, then you will understand, I have to work on this area, I have to work on this area so that I will get more profits or I will be break even by doing all those things. You will figure out what you have to do exactly by seeing this trading journal. If you're having any doubt about this trading journal, you can watch this video till the end so that I will discuss 9 habits of successful student traders in this video by the end of this video, so that you can include these 9 habits of successful student traders to achieve good profits in the market. So the trading journal consists of these three things. Most important things are the action plan and what the index I'm trading on that particular day. What is the date? Why date? Because every day we are having the expiry days, right? If that is a expiry day of the bank nifty, what will happen? If you have enough capital, you can be an option seller on that particular day. So you will know that this is the expiry day of bank nifty and I should not enter the markets with huge lots because there is so much of time decay on that day. Like this, there are so many things. We have benefits of including the date, index and action plan. If you don't understand all these things, no worry, I'm going to take you to my trading journal and I'll explain how exactly I'm doing all these things. Now, in my trading journal, I will also include the pre-market analysis. Why pre-market analysis? Because when you are analyzing the markets, you should stick to your plan, okay? Stick to your plan and you have to mark the important supports and resistance in your charts. What is the need of marking these important supports and resistances? because when the price is moving in one direction, there should be some resistance to the price to uh, to come below to your levels. I will explain this in the charts, no worry. So I do the pre-market analysis in my trading journal, and I manually enter what is the action plan for that day. Okay, and I will keep on coming back to this trading journal during the live market without losing any focus. For example, if I wanted to be bullish in the market, in my pre-market analysis, I will be bullish in the market. Okay, this is the action plan. I will stick to my action plan 99% of the time. So the another aspect I include in my trading journal is the lessons learned. If you enter the lessons you have learned on that day, over a period of time, what happens? You're going to have some lessons learned booklet for you to revise those lessons. There is a quote, something is there, that is, if you don't learn a lesson, life will repeatedly teach that same lesson to you. Like that, if you don't learn the lessons that the market is teaching to you, similar mistakes you are going to do in your trading journey. So once you know that this is the lesson I have learned, you have to go back to your trading journal and you have to know what is the lesson for that day, and you have to remember this lesson throughout your trading journey, and you have to frequently come back to your trading journal and see what the price is telling to you. Along with these three things, I will also take the screenshot, the chart screenshot. Why? Because as I am doing the pre-market analysis, what happened on that particular day, whether the pre-market analysis is right or wrong, whether it is approved by the market or not, will be known to you by seeing these charts. Okay, if you inculcate the habit of taking the screenshot and saving you in your trading journal or in your computer, this will give you some better edge in the market. Those who don't maintain this type of trading journal and those who maintain this trading journal will have an edge. Why? Because of these lessons you have learned, these efforts you have put in the market. So let's go to our trading journal and see how exactly I do it and what are the lessons I have learned. Everything will be discussed here. See, I'm going to place this 2nd November 2023, and once I start this trading journal, I keep on improvising it. Okay, if you don't start anything thinking that you will do it once we get the perfection, we will not do the thing for our lifetime. So what you have to do is, when you want to start anything, start that immediately without asking or seeing for the perfection. Okay, perfection comes from doing the tasks, not just planning the tasks. So what I have done here is, I just have an idea of maintaining the trading journal, then I have designed this template. So days going on, I have changed this template for some better experience. Okay, that is not the part here. Let's see what it consists of. As I have told you, my trading journal consists of date, indice and action plan. So see here, date, indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the action plan for that particular day. Okay, I have done this. And the pre-market analysis, important supports and resistances. See, this is the analysis coming from the CPR pivot points. As I am doing the CPR, I am a CPR pivot point directional trader, where I can apply the option buying as well as the option selling here. So I do the analysis with the concepts of CPR pivot points like pivot trend analysis, pivot width analysis and today value relationships. So why I am doing this pre-market analysis with all these things? All these parameters will give you the action plan. That means if the trend is uptrend with the pivot trend analysis, I wanted to be bullish in the market. not bearish in the market. So by the end of this analysis, what I will get is whether I want it to be bullish or bearish, whether it is a sideways day or a trending day, or bullish trending day or the bearish trending day. With the use of all these things, I am going to get this action plan. So see here, these are the important supports and resistance I mark in my charts. Why? These are the areas where the price likely to take support or take resistances. For example, let me explain this. Just a moment. Let me explain this. For example, what is it? Yeah. This is the, for example, this is a support, resistance. This is the support and this is the resistance of swing high and swing low. Swing high and low. So when the price is somewhere here and it is reaching the swing high, this is the swing high. Okay, what happens? The price has likely have the tendency to reject from these resistances. Okay, once you stay at this point, keeping your SL here, stop loss here, okay, and your entry somewhere here after the close of the candle, your target should be something here, which is the low. This is just an example. This is not the exact thing. This is how all these supports and resistances help. Virgin CPR, gap borders, turning points, supply and demand zones, swing highs, swing lows, everything. Okay, and now let's go here. The pre-market analysis, important supports and resistances I have written in the trading journal. Now the lessons I have learned. If, see here, lesson learned. If gap up, indication for bullishness. Yes, if gap up happens, this is the indication for bullishness. Earlier the trend was downtrend. So when the trend is downtrend, that days, I am explaining that day's lesson to you. For an example, the trend is downtrend and it suddenly opened gap up. This is an indication for the bullish price action. So what I have to do at these times, if it happens, if the price comes to the R1 resistance, the price takes supports at R1. Observed this many times. I will explain the exact meaning for this. Why? Because I am not following any grammar things here. Why? Because the main important thing here is I have to understood that day's price action. That's it. No grammar, no fancy words like that. So when the trend is downtrend and suddenly it opens gap up above previous day high, above the previous day's high, what happens? That is the indication for the bullishness. So at that times what you have to do is you have to wait at the R1 resistance. When the price opens somewhere here, if it comes still here and it is taking support with the bullish candle, you can take your trade at this point. Okay, did you understand? This could be your SL, this is your entry, and the next pivot is your target. Understood? If you don't understood this point, please go back and listen this carefully. So I'm going to show you this in the charts because I have learned the lesson, right? So let me show you in the charts. This is the screenshot I have taken on that particular day. See, Bank Nifty is in the uptrend already on that particular day and Nifty is in the downtrend. How I know about this uptrend and downtrend? To know this in the live market, I have given the color coded lines here. See, this is the red line. This is an indication for the downtrend of Nifty. This is the green line. This is an indication for the Bank Nifty's uptrend. So when it is opening gap up, see, this is the previous day high and it has opened above this area and price coming to this R1, this is the CPR, and this is the R1. When price comes here, taking support at R1 is a good indication to the price will move in your direction. Okay, see this candle is taking support here, so you can aim for the next pivot. This is the next pivot. This is what happens here also. When it is opening gap up, it is taking support. This is the R1. Okay, this is the CPR and this is the R1. Okay, this is the R1 and it is taking support here and reaching to the next pivot level R2. Okay, this happens most of the time. So you should have the patience to wait to the price to come to your location and take the trades. And next, what I want to discuss here is, I have discussed about DID, index, action plan, pre-market analysis, lessons learned and the screenshot in my trading journal. So now I have to explain you what are the 9 habits of successful student traders. Okay, if you want to earn money from the market, you have to be a student trader first. Then you have to become a trader, then break-even trader, then profitable trader, then pro trader. This is the path to achieve profits from the market. So you have to maintain your patience to move from one position to another position. From student trader to you have to become a trader by learning and knowing what are the successful habits of student traders. Now see here, if I am teaching or discussing all these things to you, means I have understood the concepts, right? How I have understood the concepts? By reading some books, by observing or watching some videos, and by learning, by doing something which the other person is not doing. In the sense, the meaning here is, there are so many traders coming to the market nowadays, so many hundreds and thousands of traders there, but those who survive in this arena for about 3 years, in the sense they have grasped the market's psychology, they know that the money is going to come for them from the markets. So what are the habits here? The student traders who want to become successful traders, they have to focus on study and learning. Yes, this is not like just coming here and investing your lakhs of rupees and taking the money out of the markets. If this is the case, there are so many persons who is having lakhs and crores of money. Here the concept here is not money, the concept here is your ability to learn and study about the markets, having the patience here. So the first one is focus on study and the learning by taking some textbooks or taking some courses or following some mentors in the YouTube, like that. Focus on study and learning. This is the first habit. And the second one here is use technology to your advantage. Yes, you have to use the technology to your advantage. Prepare some smart notes in your document. The example for this is the trading journal. When I am going to any area, I mean to some other city or like that, I just carry my laptop with me. Okay, I no need to carry any books, anything. Just I want to have a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop with my trading account, Demat account, and my everyday trading journal. I just need all these things to take the trade. I can work from anywhere. Okay, this is the beauty of day trading. And see here, track your trade plans in a document. Take advantage of this one and track your trade plans in a document, and keep on coming back to that document and analyze what are the trades you are taking, whether it is right or not, what are the lessons you have learned. You have to take advantage of this technology and these laptops, like that. There are so many ways to use technology to your advantage. Think about what is your need to take the advantage of the technology. My need here is I cannot take books blah 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 with me. Why? Because there are some other things to carry, right? So I use the technology of the documents to prepare smart notes, and I download the e-books. I keep on reading them. I keep on reading different kinds of trading books. Then I pick 1 or 2 points from that book and I apply them in the trading journey, so that I am becoming a better trader day by day, week by week, and month by month. One day, I have hope that, and I have belief that I can make some big money from the markets. Okay, keeping this in mind, I am using this technology to my advantage. Now, take regular notes. You have to take the regular notes because markets are so dynamic. Dynamic in the sense, the same thing which happened today may not happen next day or the other day. Okay, but the patterns are same. The exact same thing would not happen in the market, but the patterns, repetitive patterns are same in the markets, which has happened in the history. So once you understand those patterns, you will take the regular notes and maintain the trading journal. Go to the trading journal very frequently in a day. So what happens, you will understand, once you able to do this, you will understand the markets much deeper level. Okay, preparation. Then what differences you can see in novice traders and the pro traders is the preparation. Novice traders do not prepare for the market hours, but the experienced traders always prepare for the markets, and they know that there is an inherited risk in taking the trades. They understand that risk, they maintain their risk management, and they do take the trades. Whether it is profitable or loss, they concentrate on the process, not on the profits. Okay, if you want to become a successful day trader, you have to concentrate on the process, not on the profits. Okay, at some point of time, your heart and your brain says, this is the point where I'm going to get money from the markets. So you have to give your 100% effort to make money from the markets. It is not like everybody coming here making money or everybody coming here losing money. This is the effort we have to give to the markets to take money out of the markets. Okay. Now, have a study space. What exactly this means? You should have a table exclusively for trading stuff. Why? Because this is a business. This is not like a hobby or something like that. This is completely a business. Let me show you what are these things. Okay. This is a business. You should have a, just a moment, I'll explain. Yeah, set up a table exclusively for trading stuff. Why? Because you have to read and take the trades at that desk. This is not like you see in the YouTube, going somewhere checking the trades just very fancy way. Not like that. This is a business. You have to take care of your business, and you have to have a place for reading and trading and doing all other stuffs. You should not go to the terrace and take the trades. Okay, you should have a proper set of proper preparation for the trades. Why? Because there are times where everything is going in your way, but due to some minute 5-6 seconds late, you are missing the trade. So when you are ready with your stuff, doing everything, you are sitting in your table watching the markets, you are going to have great edge in your side. Okay, now set a schedule. What is a schedule? For me, I am having a schedule of taking the pre-market analysis every day, post-market analysis, and the trading journal. So without doing the pre-market analysis, a student trader or the trader who wanted to be profitable should not enter the markets. You should enter the markets once you have done the pre-market analysis. Likewise, you have to leave the market after doing the post-market analysis. As I am doing the pre-market analysis videos in the YouTube earlier, nowadays I am little bit busy, so that I am not posting any videos, but I really apologize for that, because some of my subscribers really want these pre-market analysis videos, but due to some reasons I haven't posted. But if I post, I will definitely post every day, like before I'm posting every day pre-market analysis, post-market analysis, and the trading these two things. Now after doing your pre-market analysis, what you have to do, you have to maintain your trading journal. What lessons you have learned on that day, everything should be written down in your trading journal, like this. If you forgot what I am saying, like this, lessons learned, what you have learned, everything like this. Okay, use additional study resources. Why you are using additional study resources? As I am learning the trading from YouTube videos and the textbooks. Okay, and the textbooks I am learning the trades. Please ignore that sound. Please ignore, and use additional studies resources like YouTube videos. You can follow 1 or 2 persons in the YouTube who are successful, and keep on choose 3 different channels and keep on seeing their videos. Why? Because what they are teaching you should understand. For in my case, I sorry. In my case, I am a person of directional trading. I really don't understand non-directional trading. I really like to have trades or consume the content of directional trading. Okay, so that I am choosing 3 different channels, and I'll see those videos right after they posted it, and I'll try to compare my trading and their trading, the similar things I have, what I can learn from them. I will do all this analysis and come to the conclusion, then I will implement in my trading. Okay, get a good night's sleep. Why? Because this is a very pressureful thing here. Pressureful in the sense, if you don't have enough sleep in the night, when the market opens, you will do nonsense, insane things with the market. One wrong trade will wipe you out that month. Understood what I am saying? One wrong trade, one irritating trade or the revengeful trade will take all your profits, previous profits. So have good 6 hour sleep routine, and you have to understand that sleeping should be really nice for a day trader. If you are going somewhere, watching a movie, having a party, and coming to the desk just without pre-market analysis, doing all these stuffs will definitely give you losses. Okay, so actively participate in trading. Yes, whatever you have learned, you have to participate in trading. For example, if you are learning reading so many books of how to swim, you know so many techniques, so many strategies to swim from this end to other end. Will you really be able to reach from this end to other end without practical or without swimming? No, right? That's why you have to paper trade first, then live trading with small lots, then observe the price action. This is the hierarchy. Okay, live trade with small lots to understand really the reading content is applicable to the markets or not. Okay, whether if you are using these strategies and you can go from normal trader to a successful trader or a profitable trader, you have to use it with small lots in the live market. Okay, observe the price action in the live market. How many books you have read, it is apart from that. If you apply the knowledge you have learned in the markets, then only you will get the right results, whether it is working in the market or not. Now, the last habit here is get organized and make plans. For example, if you want to make 50,000 rupees income per month from the stock market, what you have to do here is you have to develop a plan to get money from the 50,000 rupees income per month. Okay, then what you should do here is, when you plan everything to get this income, just take 10% of this income plan. For example, 50,000 rupees, the 10% here is the 5,000. Now implement your plan for getting 5,000 rupees from the market. So take 1 or 2 lots with your learned system, then practice this in the live market. Okay, for about 6 to 7 months, don't expect any return from the market. Just take trades, try to be break even though it is going slightly in negative, no worry, follow the process, then you will understand you can make money from the markets. But this is very risky, that is already you have known, but the risk should be minimal and the reward should be maximum. This is the holy grail of the day trading. The risk should be minimum and the reward should be very high. These are the 9 habits of successful student traders, where if you implement these things, you will understand and learn the markets much better. In a much faster way, you can learn anything from the markets. If you are someone who really wants to learn about the markets and you want to learn a system that is working in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'm having a course called CPR Pivot Points related day trading money blueprint, where you can be able to take the course, and if you follow my channel and follow the mentorship or the webinars I am conducting, you can be able to learn the day trading concept. So if you really want to take my course, you can ask me. I am going to give my email ID in the description section. Give me a mail in that Gmail ID, so that I will give you the course details. Thank you so much for watching my videos.